Welcome to the journey of wastewater treatment. Let's see how dirty water becomes clean and safe before returning to nature. First, the water enters the bar screening stage. Here, large objects like plastic, wood, and trash are removed. This prevents damage to pumps and equipment. Next is grit removal. Sand, gravel, and small stones settle down here. Removing grit protects pipes and keeps the system running smoothly. Now, the water flows into the primary clarifier. Heavy solids sink to the bottom, forming sludge, while oils and grease float to the top. Both are removed. In the aeration tanks, air is pumped into the water. This helps bacteria break down organic matter. It's like giving oxygen to tiny helpers that clean the water. After aeration, water moves to the secondary clarifier. Here, the remaining solids settle down. The clear water on top is almost clean now. Next is chlorination. Chlorine is added to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, making the water safe. Before release, the water goes through a final check to ensure quality standards are met. Finally, the treated water is discharged back into rivers or seas, clean and safe for the environment. And that's how wastewater treatment works, turning dirty water into clean water through science and engineering. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, do like and subscribe the Instrulogic channel to get more insightful video. See you in the next video.